Hey guys, welcome to the channel IQ Mind Matrix. Today we are back again with IQ challenge. You've got 10 seconds. If you think you're good at spotting patterns, try solving this before I do. Take a look. 3, 7, 15, 31, 63. Most people say the sequence and immediately jump to an answer. And that's exactly where they go wrong. Before we continue, drop your answer in the comments. Don't just guess. Actually try to figure it out. By the end of this video, we'll see if you got it right. Ready? Let's do this. Alright, when you look at a number sequence, your brain naturally tries to find a pattern. Sometimes that's easy, sometimes not so much. Let's take another look. At first glance, the pattern isn't obvious. So let's break it down. First, let's look at the differences between the numbers 3 to 7. We can write 3 plus 4 equals 7. From 7 to 15. 7 plus 8, that equals 15. From 15 to 31. 15 plus 16 equals 31. And notice anything. The differences are 7, 15, 31, and so. Our hidden rule is each number is double the previous difference. So that is number plus number plus 1. Our hidden rule is number plus number plus 1. So for the last one, we can write 63 plus 63 plus 1. It equals 127. Looks like we found our answer, but wait, there's actually another way to see it. Let's look at the numbers. For 7, we can write 3 times 2 plus 1. It equals 7. For 15, we can write 7 times 2 plus 1 equals 15. And for 31, we can write 15 times 2 plus 1. So the rule is take the previous number, multiply it by 2, then add 1. Now let's apply it one more time. The previous number of 63 is 31. So it times 2 plus 1 equals 63. With this rule, we can find the answer. We must write 63 times 2 plus 1. It equals 127. The same answer. But here the real question. Did you get it before I revealed the answer? Now be honest. Was that your answer? If you got it right, comment I got. And if you guessed something else, tell me what you got. I am curious to see how many people figure it out before the reveal. If you enjoyed brain teasers and logic challenge, make sure to like the video and follow for more, because the next puzzle is even trickier than this one. See you in the next challenge.